Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Dinda Farah Maulidah with name 226121257. Here, I would like to retell a video what I've watched about climate change and global warming. Check it out. Okay, the term climate change is used to denote the long-term changes in weather pattern. Global warming is formally defined as a rise of Earth's temperature that persists for a decade or longer. There are several causes for climate change, but the biggest one is the rising concentration of the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are those gases in our atmosphere that trap heat. Some examples include carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Naturally, gases with a higher global warming potential, or GWP, absorb more heat and thus contribute more to increase Earth's overall temperatures. Natural sources and human activities both result in emission of greenhouse gases. Those human activities include the burning of fossil fuels in the range of 70 to 80% of total emission, agriculture in the range of 10 to 15% of all emissions, chasing forests for cultivation, industry, and other human activities also increases concentration of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide. The next is the impact of earth ice and water. The rise in global temperatures changes several other weather patterns and geographical conditions. For example, an increase in temperature directly impacts the snow, river and lake ice, sea ice, glacier ice caps, ice shelves, and ice sheets, as well as frozen ground, also known as permafrost. Sea level rise is caused primarily by the water from those melting ice. As a for one, the first thing to do for recovery is awareness about the risk and associated with climate change. Rethink our bad consumption habits. Climate change is a threat, but if we are all together, we can still save our beautiful planet. I think that's all what I can deliver to you. Forgive me please if I have made many mistakes. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.